Today, we have an eye-opening topic that will unveil the secrets of the wealthy. We'll be discussing the 7 money laws that only the rich seem to know. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes on this one. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is truly a remarkable phenomenon. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and growing larger as it progresses. The key lies in reinvesting the returns you earn, allowing your money to generate even more returns. The earlier you start investing, the longer your money has to compound, and the greater the impact. Time is a crucial ingredient in the recipe for wealth creation. By starting early, you give your investments the opportunity to weather market fluctuations and enjoy the benefits of compounding over an extended period. But it's not just about starting early. Consistency is equally important. Regularly contributing to your investments, even if it's a small amount, can make a significant difference in the long run. Remember, it's the steady stream of contributions that fuels the compounding effect. So, whether it's through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles, make sure you understand the power of compound interest and harness it to your advantage. Let your money work for you and witness the remarkable growth it can achieve. By embracing the power of compound interest, you can set yourself on a path to financial abundance and join the ranks of those who understand and benefit from this incredible money law. Remember, it's never too late to start. Take action today and embark on your journey towards financial prosperity. Number 2. Multiple streams of income. One of the fundamental money laws that the rich understand is the importance of having multiple streams of income. While most people rely on a single paycheck, the wealthy diversify their income sources to create a robust financial foundation. Diversifying your income not only provides stability and security but also unlocks the potential for exponential financial growth. By having multiple streams of income, you create a safety net that protects you from unexpected setbacks or economic downturns. There are numerous ways to generate additional income streams. It could involve investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, which can provide passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts known as REITs, offer consistent cash flow and potential appreciation. Entrepreneurship is another avenue for creating multiple streams of income. Starting a business or pursuing freelancing opportunities allows you to leverage your skills and passions to generate additional revenue. And with the rise of the digital age, online businesses and e-commerce ventures have become increasingly accessible. Passive income streams, like royalties from intellectual property or affiliate marketing, provide a steady flow of income with minimal effort once set up. These sources can complement your primary income and contribute to your overall financial success. By diversifying your income, you not only increase your earning potential but also gain financial independence. It allows you to have greater control over your financial future, reduces reliance on a single source, and opens up opportunities for wealth creation. So, whether it's through investments, real estate, entrepreneurship, or passive income, take the initiative to explore and create multiple streams of income. Embrace the mindset of wealth diversification and watch as your financial well-being flourishes. Remember, the key to financial abundance lies in not putting all your eggs in one basket. Start diversifying your income today and pave the way for a prosperous future. Number 3. The mindset of abundance. The mindset of abundance is a powerful tool that distinguishes the wealthy from the rest. It's about cultivating a mindset that believes in the infinite nature of opportunities and resources. When you have an abundance mindset, you shift your focus from scarcity and lack to abundance and possibility. An abundance mindset allows the wealthy to see opportunities where others see obstacles. They approach challenges with a positive attitude, knowing that there is always a solution waiting to be discovered. This mindset propels them forward and attracts success into their lives. When you adopt an abundance mindset, you release the fear of taking risks. You understand that failure is merely a stepping stone towards growth and that setbacks are temporary. This mindset empowers you to take calculated risks in pursuit of your financial goals. Moreover, an abundance mindset opens you up to collaboration and abundance sharing. Rather than viewing others as competition, you see them as potential allies and opportunities for mutual growth. This mindset fosters a spirit of collaboration and abundance in your financial endeavors. To develop an abundance mindset, start by challenging your limiting beliefs about money and success. Surround yourself with positive influences, read inspiring books, and seek out mentors who embody an abundance mindset. Practice gratitude and visualize the abundance you desire in your life. By embracing an abundance mindset, you transform your relationship with money and invite prosperity into your life. Remember, wealth starts from within, and adopting an abundance mindset is the great step towards financial freedom. Now, it's time to let go of scarcity and embrace abundance. Shift your mindset and witness the incredible impact it can have on your financial journey. Number 4. Leveraging other people's time and skills. One of the essential money laws that only the rich seem to know is the art of leveraging other people's time and skills. They recognize that their time is valuable and limited, so they surround themselves with a talented team to delegate tasks and responsibilities. By leveraging other people's time and skills, the wealthy can focus on activities that align with their strengths and bring the highest returns. They understand the power of collaboration and teamwork, harnessing collective expertise to achieve greater success. Building a strong network of individuals who excel in their respective fields is a key strategy. Whether it's hiring employees, outsourcing tasks to freelancers, or partnering with professionals, the wealthy understand the value of surrounding themselves with capable individuals. Delegating tasks to others not only frees up time but also allows for greater efficiency and productivity. It enables the rich to focus on strategic decision-making, business development, and other high-value activities that drive growth and profitability. Remember, you don't have to do it all alone. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, and seek support in areas where others can contribute their expertise. By leveraging the time and skills of others, you can accelerate your progress towards financial success. So, surround yourself with talented individuals, delegate tasks wisely, and build a network of trusted partners. By leveraging other people's time and skills, you'll not only lighten your load but also maximize your potential for success. Now, it's time to embrace the power of collaboration and leverage the strengths of others. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could on our own. Number 5. Continuous learning and personal development. To maintain their financial edge, the rich never stop learning. They invest in themselves through continuous education, personal development, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies in their industries. By adopting a growth mindset and investing in your knowledge, you can stay ahead of the curve and seize new opportunities that come your way. Rich people understand that continuous learning and personal development are crucial for maintaining their financial edge. They believe in investing in themselves, not just financially, but also intellectually. They are committed to ongoing education, staying updated with industry trends, and honing their skills. By adopting a growth mindset and actively seeking knowledge, you can stay ahead of the curve and seize new opportunities that arise. The world is constantly evolving, and by continuously learning, you position yourself to adapt and thrive in changing circumstances. There are numerous ways to invest in your personal development. Reading books, attending seminars, workshops, and webinars, taking online courses, or seeking guidance from mentors and experts in your field can all contribute to your growth. Additionally, the rich understand the importance of staying updated with the latest trends and strategies in their industries. They actively seek information and seek out opportunities to enhance their knowledge and skills. Remember, your personal growth is an investment that pays lifelong dividends. By continuously learning and developing yourself, you expand your horizons, increase your value, and open doors to new possibilities. So, make a commitment to ongoing learning and personal development. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner, and you'll position yourself for long-term success in your financial journey. Now, it's time to dive into the sea of knowledge and discover the limitless potential that continuous learning can unlock. Number 6. Delayed gratification and smart spending. Another money law that separates the rich from the rest is the practice of delayed gratification and smart spending. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of prioritizing long-term goals over short-term pleasures. They make strategic spending decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. By practicing delayed gratification, you resist the temptation of instant gratification and prioritize long-term financial success. This means making conscious decisions about where you allocate your resources and avoiding impulsive purchases that can hinder your progress. Smart spending involves analyzing your expenses and distinguishing between needs and wants. It means evaluating the value and impact of each purchase and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Avoiding unnecessary debt is also a key aspect of smart spending. Rich people understand the detrimental effects of excessive debt and work towards minimizing it. They prioritize paying off high-interest debts and avoid accumulating debt for unnecessary expenses. By being mindful of your spending habits and focusing on your long-term financial goals, you can make your money work for you and build lasting wealth. Every dollar saved and invested today can contribute to a brighter financial future. So, embrace delayed gratification, practice smart spending, and be intentional with your financial decisions. By doing so, you lay the foundation for a financially secure future and unlock the path to lasting wealth. Number 7. Giving back and philanthropy. The last money law that separates the rich from the rest is the power of giving back and philanthropy. Wealthy individuals understand that their success comes with a responsibility to make a positive impact on society. They embrace philanthropy as a means to create lasting change and improve the lives of others. Giving back is not only about financial contributions, it's about using your resources, time, and influence to make a difference. Whether it's supporting charitable organizations, volunteering in community initiatives, or mentoring aspiring individuals, the wealthy actively engage in acts of kindness and service. The act of giving back not only benefits those in need, but also brings fulfillment and a sense of purpose to the giver. It allows the wealthy to connect with their values, make a meaningful impact, and leave a legacy beyond financial success. Remember, when you are in a position to help others, it's both a responsibility and an opportunity. Giving back not only creates a positive impact on society, but also enriches your own life in ways that money alone cannot. So, embrace the power of giving back and find ways to contribute to causes that resonate with you. Whether big or small, every act of kindness and philanthropy counts and has the potential to create a ripple effect of positive change. Now, it's time to make a difference and leave a lasting legacy through the power of giving back. Together, we can create a better world for all. And there you have it, the 7 money laws only rich people know. By applying these principles to your life, you can unlock financial success and achieve your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who aspire to build wealth. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for financial freedom.